The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XS with wireless. So the iPhone XS is now here equipped with wireless. It's currently out of stock, as you guys can see right there. It's $9.99 for the 64GB version, and Cricket is only offering 2 storage options: 64 gigs or 256 gigabytes. The 256 gigabyte XS is $11.49, $11.99, $11.49, something like that. Yeah, let's just check the phone now, shall we? So that's fine. The phone you guys have the you guys have the sound switch there. The sound switch there for sound. Volume buttons, power button there. On the right side you have a power button. Camera does stick out just a bit. On the back of the iPhone XS, you guys have dual cameras. Apple logo and iPhone over there. It's available in 3 colors: space gray, silver, or gold, and they're also out of stock as well, alright? And you guys can obviously get this iPhone XS on any plan, obviously. So yeah. It says iPhone XS features a 5.8-inch Super Retina display with custom-built OLED panels for an HDR display that provides the industry-best color accuracy, true blacks, and remarkable brightness. Advanced Face ID lets you securely unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay with just a glance. The A12 Bionic chip with next-generation Nitro engine uses real-time machine learning to transform the way you experience photos, scanning, augmented reality, and more. A breakthrough 12-megapixel dual camera system takes your portraits to the next level with portrait mode, portrait lighting, enhanced bokeh, and all-new depth control, water resistance, and iOS 12, the most advanced mobile operating system with powerful new tools that make iPhone more personal than ever. So quick special on the iPhone XS, as you guys know, has 5.8-inch Super Retina display with OLED and HDR, IP68 dust and water resistance up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, 12-megapixel dual cameras for dual optical image stabilization, and 7-megapixel true depth front camera with portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and HDR. It has Face ID for secure authentication and Apple Pay. A12 Bionic, the most powerful and smartest chip in a smartphone. Wireless charging works with Q chargers in iOS 12 with Me Emoji, screen time, search shortcuts, and group FaceTime. Alright. It says, welcome to the big screens. Super Retina in 2 sizes, including the largest display ever on an iPhone. Even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough dual camera system. iPhone XS is everything you love about iPhone, taken to the extreme, alright? Super Retina and big and bigger. The custom OLED displays on iPhone XS delivers the most accurate color in the industry, HDR, and true blacks. And iPhone XS Max has Apple's biggest display ever on the iPhone. So there's the 2 phones next to each other. And they also compared the iPhone XS Max, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone XS right there. Exceptional materials, the most durable glass ever in a smartphone. A beautiful new gold finish achieved with an atomic level process, precision machine, surgical grade stainless steel bands, and a new level of water and dust resistance. Alright. Advanced Face ID. Security is simple when your face is your password. You can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. It's the most secure face authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. Intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone with Apple's next generation Nitro engine for amazing augmented reality experiences, incredible portraits with depth control, and speed and fluidity in everything you do. So it has all these features in the camera here. So breakthrough dual camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era the photography, where an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. The rest of this camera is really good, and it has good videos on it. It has smart HDR and different pixels and all that stuff, and enhanced bokeh effects and all that and whatnot, depth control and all that. It has dual 12 megapixel cameras on the back, 4K rated to 60 frames, true depth camera, 7 megapixels, portrait mode with depth control, 1080p video at 60 frames. And this iPhone XS delivers gigabit LTE for super fast download speeds and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, making this Apple's highest capacity iPhone yet. And so Cricket only offers the 2 storage options, 64 gigs or 256 gigs. So do keep that in mind. No other phone is like iPhone. Every decision that goes into iPhone makes it stand apart, from the way it's made to the way privacy and security are built in from the start, to the way Apple responsibly recycles it. So there it is, guys. The iPhone XS is now on Cricket Wireless. It's available with 2 storage options, 64 gigs or 256 gigs. It's currently out of stock. It's $9.99 for the 64 gigabyte version. I think it's $11.49 for the 256 gigabyte version. And so yeah, there it is, guys. Apple iPhone XS right there on Cricket. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.